I'm awful. So I bought this wrist blood pressure monitor from Walmart for $40. It's a wrist one. They had a lot of different options, including like the cuff ones for the arms. But a nurse once told me that the wrist one is the best one, so I thought I'd go with this one. I liked it because it was from Walmart, so it's somewhat affordable. There were some that were $60, $80, and I really don't want to spend that much. But this seems like it'll do the job where I just really want to know my blood pressure. This is the 4500 series model of Equate. It has different options if you wanted to buy one that was a little bit more spiffy and had more features. There's a 6000, 8000, 8500 series. Some of them come with Bluetooth technology. What else did it come with? Can accommodate a number of different users and things like that, but I really didn't need all those features. And then batteries are included in this, which is very nice, because who hates to buy a product and then come home and find out you have to go and run and get batteries. And it has a storage unit thing in there to keep the monitor safe. It's lightweight, it's great for travel. It's designed for 2 users, which is great. And if you're husband and wife and want to use it together, you can have this. So it can detect an irregular heartbeat, which is super important because nobody wants to have that. And it's a universal cuff. It says it should fit most wrists. I have a pretty small wrist, so we'll see if I'm in the most wrist or not. And it's clinically validated for accuracy. So it seems like a pretty good product for the price, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and open this now. I feel like I should be playing music because it's very dramatic right now that I'm opening this after talking about this for so much. Maybe I should have planned this video a little bit better and had a pair of scissors nearby. I'm going to properly try and open this. I might wreck the box a little bit, but since I'm not planning on reusing it, that's okay. Okay, so here we have, it's packed pretty snugly inside, which is good. It doesn't mean it was getting bounced around a lot as it was going through the store process. And I think it's just this empty box, so hopefully nothing's hiding down there. We'll find out if I have any missing pieces. So we have a little carrying case, which is kind of cute. We have the instructions, wrist blood pressure monitor. I don't have a lot of patience, so I'm going to try and see if I can figure this out without reading all 60 pages of this, because I don't have patience for it. So we'll see. It looks kind of complex. Okay, you can have something to log it in case you don't want to get the spiffier version that has the app. You can use this to log it, which is really great. It has the date, the time, weight, dilastic, and your pulse, which is very good. So that's nice. And it also has a little quick start guide in Spanish. I think I'll go with the quick start guide rather than the 60-page manual, because again, I don't have patience for that. Please read before you begin. This is good because I don't have a lot of attention, so this is very obvious of what I need to do. So sit quietly for 5 minutes before you take your measurement. I'm not going to bore you all in this video and have you watch me sit silently for 5 minutes, but we'll just pretend that I did. Avoid eating, smoking, or any form of exertion before you take your measurement. Do not flex your muscles during your measurement. I like the little buff guy and the no sign. And always measure using the same arm. That's interesting. I wonder where that is. But we'll just listen to them. Oh, it says that, your blood pressure typically fluctuates in the day. That's nice to know. Lower readings, higher readings. And it does recommend that it be calibrated every 2 years to verify accuracy, and they have a number you can call. So that's pretty cool. Okay, now let's do the unwrapping. We have the unboxing done. Now it's time for unwrapping. This is very interesting. Let's see. I have the little batteries. A nice Maxwell alkaline, let's see, AAA batteries. Nothing that wouldn't be hard to find at your regular store. Now this is a struggle unwrapping it. It's probably just me being awkward trying to figure out how to get this undone. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! Nice snap. And there's a little direction. Ensure monitor is at heart level. Palm up. Okay. And again, because I don't want to read the directions, I'm just going to figure out where the batteries go. I'm assuming they go in here. And this little pouch in the back. Hopefully I didn't break it. I don't think I did. I think the springs just made a little noise, which is fine. That's what springs do. Some more unwrapping. So carefully I will unwrap the batteries. Slowly and carefully. There we go. One's out. Let's see, how long does it take me to unwrap a battery? There we go. Okay, we'll look at the little signs. The -1 goes ta-da, that way. The -1 for this one goes this way. And then we'll snap it in. We'll see if I still have to press some button or if it magically starts making some noises. We're here to help. For assistance using your monitor, please call bloppity blop number, which is great. I don't like phone calls, so again, we're going to try and figure this out. Oh, it's already doing something there. Okay, where's my quick guide? Okay, quick guide doesn't tell me how to operate on the first page. Second page shows me how to operate. Apply the cuff so the display is facing you and is about a ½ inch from your hand. The fit should be snug and not too tight. Okay, so we want our arm up. This is where I shouldn't have totally unwrapped it. I should have half unwrapped it. So I have to feed it through here. Okay, there we go. So you can see in the picture, it's not like this, like a watch. You kind of want it on the inside. And I think I have it on, so you actually want it this way. So the little color things want to be facing away from you, like in the picture, which is good to know. This is where it really sucks that I have such a small wrist, because I'm going to have to tighten it a lot. Okay, there we go. And then I don't know how I'm going to wrap this, maybe like so. Make a little loop-de-loop. Push the power button and remain still during your measurement. Okay. Now this is where it would be great if this thing had a sign like this is the power button. Now I'm going to have to go looking. Oh, I guess that little thing right there is the power button. Okay, so it's going to read me now and tell me, oh, it's making noise. Oh my god. I always hate these things. Okay, it's going. Just this is probably raising my heart. Okay, I gotta relax. Wouldn't that be awful if I'm doing this video and then it's like in the red and I have to go to the emergency room or something? Oh, an error. Well, that's not very good. Maybe because this isn't, I like double wrapped it. Maybe if we, okay, I guess we just push it again. I don't think we have to reset it. So we'll just try this again. Maybe I shouldn't talk so much when I'm doing it. Maybe it's making me too excited that it's not going. I see a little man on there and a little picture image. I don't know why he's there. Maybe I'll pass it one more time. There we go. Oh good, this time it worked. So my elastic pressure is at 123, elastic at 89, and my pulse is 61, so I'm still alive. Thank goodness. So 123, like, let's see where that might be, about here somewhere. So, and then 89 is about, maybe about here. So that's good. Pulse is good. So let's see if there's anything else. That's just the example. But I could write this on there if I wanted to record it. I know a lot of times doctors want to know, you know, if they're watching what it is from day to day, so it's a good idea to record it. So this is my experience trying a wrist monitor blood pressure for the first time. There's probably a lot more features to this than I'm getting into during this initial video. Like a little memory feature. If I were to have an irregular heart rate, I might see that feature. If my cuff needs to be replaced, it'll show me that. Memory recall, I guess, is this button somewhere. Memory recall over there. Oh, see? Little M. That's good to know. And then the time and date would be that setting button if I wanted to mess with that. And here's where they can show you the values of what, oh, I didn't save mine to the memory, but what normal would be, what pre-hypertension, and then what hypertension would be. So it's really important to take care of your health, including your heart health. It gives you some tips about prevention of different things and habits, giving up smoking, which I'm not a smoker, so I don't have to worry about that. But very good tips. So I encourage y'all to monitor your heart health, get it checked, pay attention to your blood pressure, and take care. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more. Alright, thank you for watching.